Don't that kush smell good when that fire hit that raw paper? Break down a 3-5, let's get high. I'm rolling thumb papers, Gorilla Glue cologne, no polo. Smell like skunk pussy, eyes hella low. I'm moving slow like a slab in Houston, and you know just how we do it. Spark 1-4, I feet hit the floor. Used to be broken, worry about the price, but not no more. What it do? 75 Delt gang. It's your boy Mr. 75 Delt. Checking in with another video, man. Ooh, fresh off the clock, man. Finna pull up at the gas station, get a little gas in my gas jug, man, and put some gas in the Delta, man. That thing, I ain't crunked the Delta up in probably about a good 2 or 3 weeks, man. No capo. Ain't crunked the Delta up about 2 or 3 weeks, man. We're gonna crank this thing up, get us a cold start. Listen to a little bit of the jams, let the console do its thing, man. You know what it is, man. Turning the footage on, man. Bringing all that footage, turning the camera on. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we at the gas station. Ooh, y'all know that location, man. Like my boy Quan, he say, Easy Mart. Yes, sir. Y'all know where we at, man. Y'all know the location. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Turn the post notifications on all, so you know when we get them bangers, man. When we drop bangers, you know when we drop them. You know what I'm talking about? Man, it's cold. It started out like 70, like 68, 70 degrees this morning, man. And now it's like I'm in the 30s. So it's gonna be a nice cold start. I'm gonna let the Delt run for a little while, man. Let y'all see the box. You know what I'm saying? Let the Delt do his thing, man, because it's been a while. It's been every bit of 2 or 3 weeks, though. No cap. Like I said, man, don't skip through. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Real supporters. Y'all know what it is. 3,600 subs, man. At 4,000 subs, like I said, we'll drop y'all that sneak peek of the new wheels for the Delt. Still waiting on the top, man. We're going to bring y'all some footage. Got some good news. Just got a couple new parts in for the 8B2 short bed. Yes, sir. Just got some new parts in for the short bed. Gonna go mess with the short bed this weekend. See if we can't get that thing going down the road. Finally, you know what I'm saying? Finally get the short bed going down the road. That's what this weekend's goal is. Me and my boy Lil Boom. Y'all already know what it is, man. Let me get out and get this gas. I really don't want to get out right now. It's cold, but let me get out and get this gas real quick, man. And while we still got a little daylight, and let this Delt thing do its thing, man. Stay tuned, man. Don't click through, man. Yes, sir. 75 Delt gang. Y'all see it, man. It's going down in a major way. Going down in a major way. I don't know how to whip that thing, man. I don't know how to work that thing. Wait, chicken, y'all wanna go? Oh, I should've went. But the grind don't stop, even though it's cold as fuck. The grind don't stop. Ooh, look at them hubbies on that box, though. Ooh. The hubbies on the box, I just stay tuned, man. I know we're gonna keep this thing rolling. Man, keep this thing rolling, bro. Oh, still got some daylight. Gotta have these. Need my keys. Gotta have these. Got that gas. Got that gas. Got that pressure. Ooh. Man, this car so low, man. Let me bag the Ultima up, set the camera up, put the gas in, man. Let's just stay tuned. Oh, gang, boy, the battery dead like I thought. Try to boost this thing off real quick. Bring y'all that footage, man. Boy, it's Chili Willie out this thing. Chili Willie. The hawk is out. And he ain't playing. Oh, it feels so much better. DJ Khaled. And, let me see if I can't get this thing loose off real quick, man. Get y'all a nice little cold start. It's been a while. It's been a cold start video. Get this thing loose off. See if I can get y'all a cold start, man. Make the vert run a little bit, man. Took all the sounds out because I messed with that back console yesterday. I think it was one of the days I messed with it. Hooked the sound in the back, but it ain't gonna stop us from bringing y'all a nice cold start, man. It ain't gonna stop us. Minus speed. Like this. Close. Booster cables on. Gonna try this thing one more time, man. I'm gonna set y'all up. Get this cold start. She should fire right up this time, gang. Myself, gang. It's been a minute myself, gang. Rich Porter, talk that cash, my boy. Tell them talk that cash. I move their ass. Y'all see it, man. Little cold start. Little cold start. Bag this thing out. That thing chopping back there, ain't it? I done let the window down. Sewing machine up front. Sewing machine up front. Hold on. A little bit better for y'all, man. This thing dirty. It's like it's blurry. Hold on. There you go. There you go. Man, my camera lens was blurry. Sorry for that, gang. Y'all see it. No headlight business, none of that in here. Just bringing y'all that footage, man. And y'all see what we got popping here. That's my boy Rich Porter, man. Cold start. Channel, man, smash the subscribe button, become a part of the 75 Delt gang today, man. You know what I'm saying? Pause the video, go smash the subscribe button, come back to the video, watch it all the way through. You know what I'm saying? Go check out some more videos, get in the comment section on all of them, man. Give it a thumbs up. You know what I'm talking about? 75 Delt gang, man. We up and rising, up and coming. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Yeah, it is. We're gonna definitely get this inside of this thing finished. We're definitely gonna. Like, hey, everything in this thing now pumping now. Yeah. Got a light out on that side. I think I'm gonna turn this thing around. I'm gonna bag it back up under here. Y'all watch a little bit of that Ridge photo, man. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Okay, I gotta remember that other car right there. Don't want to mess up. Let's see how far I got. I can come back to them. I got some room. Got some room, gang. I'm so used to driving this thing with the 30s on her. I don't turn it to. Cash or move your ass going on, man. Ooh, can't tap the box. Ooh, don't tap them trees. 75 Delt game, man. Y'all see what it is, man. Got that thing with some gas in it. Got that thing sitting there running, man. Cold start. Oh. Low to the ground. It's getting a little bit too dark out here, man. Just wanted to bring y'all a little footage that y'all see what we got going on, man. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, man. But like I always say, it's your boy Mr. 75 Delt checking out with another